Hey everyone, welcome back to JNTUH concepts. So in this video we are going to discuss the management objectives and functions. So if you are new to the JNTUH concepts channel, here we discuss all the JNTU subjects that are important for the semester exams under JNTU University affiliated colleges. So do like this video and do subscribe this channel if you are new. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do like this video. So without any further delay, let's get into our today's topic. Management objectives. These are specific goals that are centered around successful delivery of projects that guide entire planning, execution, etc. phases to ensure safety, time, budget, and quality, etc. These metrics help to deliver efficient construction projects, productivity, safety, and of high quality by efficient use of resources. There are various key management objectives. We'll be discuss. We'll be covering each one. So the first one is time management. This object ensures that the project is completed within the scheduled time frame. It involves preparing a timeline using bar charts, CPM, etc. So these are tools like the bar chart, CPM, Gantt charts, etc. We'll be discussing or we'll be covering these topics in our upcoming videos. So it involves preparing a timeline using bar chart, CPM, etc. and project planning and activities according to possible disruption like weather, material shortages, etc. To minimize the delays, monitoring progress regularly, cost, penalties, etc. So that is time management objective. The second one is cost management. This objective focuses on controlling and staying under the allocated budget. It involves proper project budgets, estimation of material, equipment, labor cost, and an accurate cost estimation, tracking expenses. The regular cost monitoring can reduce cost without compromising the quality. The third management objective is quality management. It aims to meet or exceed the client's expectations and follow all the building codes, specifications, standards, and regulatory requirements. It also involves inspection procedures, material testing, quality control, and quality assurance throughout the project lifecycle. The use of high quality materials, skilled labor, proper workmanship has to be maintained. The next management objective is safety management. This particular objective aims to prevent accidents, injuries, hazards, etc. on the construction site, which can be done by safety planning, risk assessment, safety training, usage of PPE kits, helmets, and implementations of those safety regulations. By following these safety regulations, a safe and healthy working environment can be made to mitigate the potential risk of accidents. The next management objective is resource management. The efficient use of resource like labor, materials, machinery, etc. has to be done to avoid delays and maximize the efficiency and minimize the wastage. The resource allocation, scheduling, etc. are major tasks and focuses on the optimized equipment usage. The next key objective is risk management. It is considered to identify, analyze the potential risk that may affect the project like financially, environmentally, legally, etc. A proper risk assessment insurance has to be done to reduce uncertainties and prevent disruptions, delays that are caused by any type of factors. So the last key management objective is communication and coordination. Proper communication is the key for a good coordination between all the stakeholders like clients, contractors, architects, engineers, etc. It can be done through regular meetings, neat communication, reporting, etc. to avoid any type of disputes and misunderstandings between people and comply all the parties within the terms. So let's move to the management functions. So these are the core activities performed by the construction manager or team to plan, organize, direct and control, etc. that help in managing all stages of construction project effectively and complete the project within the time, budget and assured quality. The key management functions are the first and the most important function is here setting goals like what work needs to be done, how it will be done, when it will be done, and who will do it. All such factors are discussed here. Creating schedules, identifying resources, and estimation of cost, etc. are done. Tools like Gantt charts, CPM, PERT, WPS are used here. Organizing. It refers to arranging, allocating resources, tasks, responsibilities, and defining roles in a structured way. It includes organizing manpower, materials, machinery, money, etc., and forming an organizational hierarchy to streamline workflow and assign the authority. It is also used to set up the communication channels between the team. The next management function is staffing. It deals with the providing of the required human resources for project. It happens like recruiting, selecting, training, and deploying workers, engineers, supervisors, etc. The workforce has to be qualified people for the individual roles. They should have the required skills and experience in their domain of work. A good workforce planning and staffing improves the productivity of project. The next management function is directing. It involves guiding, supervising, providing instructions, and motivating staff. It also involves solving day to day issues and ensuring teamwork, resolving conflicts. A manager has to maintain discipline and healthy communication between the departments of the corresponding project. The last management function is controlling. It refers to monitor and measure the progress and performance of the project with the plan they made initially. It has to be compared with actual results with the planned objectives. If any deviations or delays occurred, then the corresponding corrective decisions has to be taken. A performance track, progress reports, inspections, audits, etc. has to be assessed for a better overall control and performance measure of the complete project. So these are the project functions. So these are the management functions, and we have also discussed the management objectives. So that is all about management objectives and functions in construction technology and management of third year first semester in R23 regulation. So in our next video, we'll be covering the manager duties and responsibilities topic. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe and keep learning.